Yep. Yeah, dug out, spread the dirt all around the pier. All the way down there. I would guess close to 20 feet on this end.
Yeah, I have a friend that made a small pond like this.
Yeah.
Dip it in the water.
Ow! That hurt.
Don't bite the hand that feeds you. Getting those catfish out there?
I fed them dog food.
Keep filming.
Yes.
Brandon.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Come back. Little Brown can't hardly handle that dog food.
They come up to it and nip it and then walk away.
Yeah.
And all that.
I got all that.
Did you pan it?
Yeah.
Did you zoom in on them?
Mm-hmm.
That's all I got. Now there's one more piece. It'll go to you, little man. I know the other one knocked you away from it. Okay.